Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Andrew Peters here with Johnson RV on beautiful Sandy, Oregon. And guys, we are in our showroom today, and we're going to be taking a look at a new arrival. This is going to be a 2025 Leisure Travel. Yes, I did say 2025, and it is available, guys. This is going to be the 60th anniversary edition. It's going to be the FX4 plane. You'll notice we're going to have our Elko wheels. It's going to come fully packed, and we do have the upgraded lithium package on board as well. So we're going to have 3 layers of paint, 2 layers of clear. Super clean inside and out. We're going to have the lot of money. That's going to give us lots of room on the exterior out here. But as you can see, as we pan down here, you'll see the additional lithium battery, which is going to be 270 amp hours, a total of 540, with a 3,000 watt converter, so you can power everything, the AC, everything inside, guys, your microwave. We're going to have the true AquaGo. That's going to be for a hot water. Then in the back here, we're going to have a nice storage area. We're also going to have our table that mounts at these 2 points right here. But we got to keep these videos short. Come check us out here at Johnson. Let's go ahead and hop inside here. So as we make our way inside, you'll notice we got the nice theater seating. This is going to be super convenient when you're just relaxing and everything like that. You got your entertainment right across from you. This does turn into a bed. I won't show you guys in this video, but when you guys do come, I'd love the opportunity to show you how this does make into a bed. We're gonna have the full queen walk around that does pull out. Up top, we're gonna have all of our controls. It's got the smart EQ system for all of our leveling. Truma, once again, slide in and out, and you also have a battery heat pack on this coach. So super convenient. All the leathers, all high-end leather, ultra leather, and then we're gonna have our refrigerator made by Norcold, our true induction microwave, 2 stovetop burner, and we're also going to have our stainless steel sink. Now in the FX, one thing I really like, being a taller person myself, just having a nice little area in the back to, you know, recline, relax. You got another entertainment system, but my favorite part is the bathroom. Bathrooms are always a problem for me. You're gonna have this pull out right here. That's gonna create all of that extra room for when you're inside the bathroom, and I'll have Adrian kind of pan inside there for you guys just to take a look at, just so you guys can get a nice overview of what that bathroom looks like. Awesome, folks. Well, come check us out here at Johnson. We'd love to see you and have you guys come in this leisure. Once again, it is available. Come see us. If I'm unavailable, please ask for Adrian Knight. Thank you.